Millicent Adhiambo, Ramogi TV.
Ogai mar Doho Martha Koome owachoni ok obi yie mondo dwa nying doho gi weche maonge atachgi kata matin. Koome wachoni doho ikore mar rakore kod mibadhi ma omako jang'ad bura mora mora. Omedo kwayo Jo-Kenya mondo sir kendo mak motegno chike ma pacho ka oseyo jatend piny kuom weche ma kamago.
We are ready to process any complaints against any judge or judicial officer who is implicated in corruption or in any other acts of misconduct, and state that we abhor corruption in all its formats, be it bribery, which is indeed a crime. However, such complaints must be launched and processed in the manner prescribed by the Constitution. Days are gone when officers were hounded, judges, judicial officers were hounded out of office through name-calling and naming and shaming. The Judicial Service Commission, which is the body mandated by the Constitution to deal with matters of complaints, will only act on the basis of evidence and not on blanket statements or allegations that have not been substantiated. Doing otherwise will mean that we will be overthrowing the Constitution.